Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you guys sleep good?
I think Lincoln wants to give a kiss.
Lincoln wants to give kisses. Lincoln found the remote, didn't he?
Yeah.
Lincoln, are you excited to watch some TV?
Button.
He's like, I wonder if they've got the Miller fam on here. Oh, Lincoln. You're so silly. So where did Daddy and the big kids go today? Do you remember?
Universal.
Universal. And what are we going to do today?
Swim more.
We're going to swim in the lazy river.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be...
It's actually flowing.
And it is flowing. Yeah, it looks really fun outside, doesn't it?
Yeah.
We're going to have such a fun day. Gigi's going to wake up and come up here in a minute.
Mom!
What, baby?
What are the girls going to do?
They're with Daddy. They're going on the really big, scary roller coasters right now. It looks like they've got a really fun playground over there, too. Do we want to go check that out today?
Yeah.
And we can go walk on the pier. Let's have some breakfast. Do you guys want to get some breakfast?
Yeah.
Linky, are you hungry? You want to eat some food?
Ready to eat.
She's like, Mom, you know that's not even a question. I always want to eat some food. Okay. Yeah. Let's go get some breakfast. Oh, good helping.
Yeah.
Say thanks, brother. So we actually have some leftover cereal that we brought from the house that we were staying at. The kids didn't want to leave it behind. Are you guys giving hugs? And we had ordered some milk last night, right? We have some milk in the little fridge. Are you so hungry?
This milk is frozen.
Oh my gosh, did the milk freeze?
Yeah.
It's a little icy. At least it's not like a solid block. That's good.
Yeah,
Okay.
At least it's not so.
We'll let it kind of thaw
We're
for
gonna
a second.
shut-
I look so tired this morning, guys. We slept in quite a bit, but we have frozen milk and we have plastic cups with our cereal. You want to try it? We're gonna see if we can make this work. So Lincoln decided he didn't want milk on his. He likes his milk separate. Is it good, Linky? Yes. He's like, this will hold me over for a couple minutes while we get some breakfast ordered up here. So we got some nice fruit here, and then Mommy got an omelet with some hash browns, and then we got some pancakes and eggs and sausage, and Linky's gonna eat the sausage and some of my omelet, and you want the pancakes, right?
Yeah.
And some maple syrup. You want some butter on it too?
Yep.
You like butter, huh? Linky, do you need some help with your food?
I also like it by itself.
Okay. Linky got some cheesy eggs, and some sausage, and some berries. Is it good, Lincoln? Hey, that's good. That's a good breakfast. Good job.
Open this.
Yeah, thumbs up. Good job.
I
You need
can open it.
help? I can help you. Okay, pour it very carefully on, okay? There you go. Good bite.
I'm just gonna have a little bit of syrup by itself. Mom!
It is vacation. That's
Ready, set, go.
fine. What is he doing, Lincoln? Okay, but we're not going to drink the syrup by the bottle, okay? A little taste is one thing. All right, all right.
That is so good.
That is so good. After breakfast dance party with Sesame Street. You need some juice? Here you go. Yum.
Yeah.
just a little bit of juice. He's like gonna have a sugar high. Yeah. Yeah, you did. Dance, dance, dance.
All right, guys, got the older kiddos, all the teens here, and we are at Universal ready to get wicked with Harry Potter. Not literally wicked, obviously, because we're good-hearted people who love the Lord. But anyway, it's going to be an awesome time. Going to ride the rides, have the fun, and, not get into too much troubles, okay?
Yeah.
So let's go in, guys. you guys think of that?
Look at my second time.
That's your second time. You weren't scared at all. What'd you think, bud?
It was awesome.
It was awesome. Pretty crazy, huh?
Okay guys, so we just finished breakfast and got our swimsuits on and we are ready to go swimming, right Ethan?
Yep.
You're so excited. Steven and the big kids are at Universal today and so they're just gonna be having some fun, but the big roller coaster rides are a little scary and not really great for Ethan and Lincoln. And so we are gonna have fun at the lazy river with my mom and the little ones and just enjoy having a relaxing day. So I'm looking forward to that. You ready to go down, Ethan?
Yeah.
You ready? Here, put your shoes on. You get your shoes on? Ooh, we're excited. Come here, Lincoln. Come here. We haven't done this much swimming since last year, really, huh? Yeah. You ready too, Lincoln? Don't push.
He's like, get out of my way. I want to see.
Yeah. Yeah, we can go swimming again. Oh, there you are. You scared us. Lincoln, run away. Let's go down. All right, you gonna press the button for me? Good job. You got a tube?
Yeah, I'm going to try hula hoop.
So hula
I've done
hoop.
it when I was in kindergarten.
Oh, you hula hooped with a tube? That's cool. Gigi's got some more tubes over here. We're gonna get in the water and swim. There we go, we got some tubes. Yay, say thank you, Gigi.
I'm gonna take another shower.
Okay, go for it.
Actually, never mind. I can go fast.
You can go fast?
I can go faster than you.
You can go faster than me. You're very strong.
And I'm very fast in the water.
Yeah.
Yee.
Yeah.
Mom!
Yeah.
Mom!
Uh-huh. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
So Ethan just went around the lazy river several times with my mom, and Lincoln and I just splashed on the edge because that's what he prefers, but it is starting to thunder and they said that a storm is coming in, so we have to get out of the pool now. We're gonna go back to our room and have a little snack, and Lincoln's gonna go down for a nap.
Mom!
He's ready. Yeah, baby? Yeah, so we had fun though, didn't we?
And we're also gonna watch a little movie.
You wanna watch a little movie? That's
Or
a good
a
idea.
show.
A movie or a show? That's a good idea. Yeah, we
I'm
gotta
gonna
go
do a
inside
show.
before it starts raining though, huh?
Me, Ethan. It's starting to rain. Very sad. But it was fun swimming. We're gonna go back to our hotel room, watch some TV, have some snacks. Nikki, say bye.
Say bye-bye.
Nikki, say bye-bye.
He says, I want a nap.
Yeah, he wants a nap. He's pretty cranky. You ready to go back, Nikki? Yeah!
Yeah, he's so excited about nap time, huh? He says, I'm tired. Here we go.
Open sesame.
Open sesame.
I like the feeling that I have like the force and whenever I go like,
And then it opens. Yeah, it's like you have powers, huh?
Yeah, it's like I have the force.
You do have the force.
Open it.
Thank you.
Ah.
Okay, let's get dried up. Hi. You can't have the coffee, but I did get you a treat. You gotta be really quiet while Winky sleeps, but I did bring the snack back. Chocolate milk. You and I are gonna share these. Do you know what's in there?
Yay!
What is it? Show me. Yeah. So we had a good rest time and now a good snack time. That's the best. Yeah. You see the rain outside? Say rain, rain, go away.
Okay, so the rain finally let up and we are getting on Hagrid's ride, which has been like an hour some odd line the whole day, but now that it just now opened back up, like we're literally walking right on. So it's almost like it's like the favor of the Lord or something. What do you guys think?
And I'd be grateful if you didn't mention it.
That is my favorite ride ever.
It's so much fun, man. And I love it because, like, you know, whenever we came for Lincoln's Make-A-Wish, like, we skipped all the lines, so we didn't really get to experience all the details and everything that they put in there to make it such a cool experience from start to finish, and it's just so amazing.
I have the print of the handle on my hand.
That's pretty fast, huh, buddy? Yeah.
Getting some jelly for me and Ethan, every single flavor. We're gonna try and eat all of them.
That's amazing, bro. I heard there's some gross ones in there.
Yeah, that's what we're so nervous.
What is it?
I got you something.
Yay! Oh my gosh! It took him a second. He was like, "Oh, they're back!" Yay!
What is it?
You got something for us? Oh, you're so happy. Get it back. Say we missed them, huh? Okay. Gentle. Calm down. Ethan, come see. All the kinds of jelly.
Very gross ones.
What are they? Are those the Harry Potter ones?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Snot, and us.
Oh, you guys are brave. Are you gonna actually taste them?
Yes. I'm gonna try at least one of each.
One of each, yeah. Okay. Well, you can tell me how they are. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he's so excited to see you guys. That's so silly. Yeah. We had fun, but we missed you guys.
We had fun and we missed you guys a lot.
Yeah. Are you tired?
I miss you a lot. I'm gonna hug you. Guys, I've been in the rain all day today. My hair has just been like looking like Todd.
So is mine. We got all rained out. I didn't
I'm
even
like-
try. I'm just like, I'm just doing it for you.
It's my This is what my hair's like looked like all day. I've been like, just stay up. And it's like 900% humidity in Orlando, so.
I mean, at this point, we're just having so much fun. It's like we don't even care.
Yeah.
We probably look like terrible in this entire.
If you don't
but I
like me
care.
at my worst, then you don't deserve me at my best.
I hate that quote. Anyways, guys, so we're gonna be ordering some pizza for the kids and letting them just chill and take it easy this last evening here, and then I think all the grown-ups are gonna go out tonight and just have like a nice meal.
We found Giordano's Pizza. Chicago Pizza. Giordano's Pizza is here. So we are having it delivered right now.
That's awesome.
And I'm super pumped because I will be having one slice of
You're
it.
gonna try a little bit of that before we go out.
It's Giordano's. It's like one of the
That
best. If
sounds
you're from
great.
Chicago, you know. Or if you've ever been to Chicago, you know Giordano's is second only to Lou Malnati's. And
It's some good stuff.
it's so
Cool.
good. That
Okay.
will- some people will fight me over that too, but
People are pretty passionate about their pizza. So we're gonna get cleaned up and enjoy our last evening here before we head home tomorrow.
Oh, wow.
Yay! Yay!
You wanna say bye?
Bye.
Yeah, I'm gonna kiss. Oh, good kiss. That's like a making out
big ol'
kiss.
kiss.
That wasn't even just a peck.
Is it good?
Green apple.
Oh, there you go. You got a good one that time.
Here,
Share
rotten
some with
egg.
me.
Linky, rotten egg. Try rotten egg.
You wanna try it?
What is this?
Let's see what he thinks about it.
All right, what's this one?
Lincoln, is it good or is it yucky? He's like, it's good.
He's like, give me all.
This one's dirt. This one's dirt.
Dirt.
Oh my gosh.
You guys are brave.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, gosh.
That is disgusting.
Apparently, we are young and in love.
Oh dear.
A young man just came by and said, oh, young love, and I said, I guess we're young. You look so lovely tonight.
Thank you, my dear.
You're
I
welcome.
feel lovely.
You should.
I found the biggest deal ever.
Oh, Gigi. We had so much fun with her. She's on her plane right now. And we are headed home. You ready to go? Yep. Got a
Yeah.
long drive.
We're going straight home.
Yeah, we're going straight home. It's going to feel good to sleep in our own bed tonight, huh?
That'll be awesome.
Yeah, it will.
I really miss my bed so much.
You miss your bed. Yeah, I do too. This has been super fun, but it'll be nice to be home.
I just brushed my hair so I look like Hermione Granger.
Your hair is gorgeous, girl.
My hair-
Mine's the same.
Every time that I brush my hair, it gets poofy.
Messy hair, don't care.
What a nice place.
You guys say bye, hotel.
Say adios.
This was a really fun trip. Thank you guys.
It was really fun. I'm glad you guys enjoyed it.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you. God, for your name's sake, you will lead